Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Ariff Shah bin Khairuddin. My matrix number is 2018-279-942. I'm from class N5IM 110-5D.
My name is Mohamad Muzaffar bin Munir from N5IM 110-5D.
My name is Mohamad Ashif bin Nordin from IM 105D.
Hi, my name is Mohamad Zulkarnain bin Misman and I'm from class N5 IM 105D.
Okay, for the background of the website, EPF stands for Employees Provident Fund, also known as Kumpulan Wang Simpanan Pekerja, KWSP. EPF are helping Malaysia workers to save for their retirement. The purpose of EPF website is to help company to deliver the information about anything that related to Employees Provident Fund to the user. The website provides the latest update like news and highlight that ensure the user to keep up with the latest EPF news and relevant information. The EPF website is handled by the Kumpulan Wang Simpanan Pekerja or Employees Provident Fund. The user for EPF website consists of members, employees, business partner. The website is frequently updating their information in order to deliver the current data and information to the user. Since all information may outdated and incorrect information, the website has many web pages that divide many sections based on information that delivered by EPF. EPF create the website to offer the user in useful service and ease the user in their service to the user, so user can use device to get latest information without need to go to the place. The website also achieving sustainable future by safeguarding their retirement saving and providing outstanding service.
Okay, for nature business of the website. Nature business means the activities of an organization or company in order to promote the services and products to their target market. EPF increases the number of users by using the website to attract the users to use their service more. The website also can be accessed anywhere because it is very compatible, whether on the smartphone or also on the PC or tablet. This website also can be accessed 24 hours. EPF serves this kind of websites because to ensure the website that are user-friendly can facilitate users to use them smartly anytime and anywhere. This kind of user-friendly website that can be promoted the website to the users at any stages of age.
Alright, okay, now I will explain to you what is the user experience for the website of EPF. For your information, user experience is a design in the process design teams used to create goods that provide users with meaningful and relevant experiences. Firstly, in the aspect of what the user of the website can get their retirement savvy and make a deal that can work the futures for workers. Thus, the user can get a guarantee of savings when they become a member of the EPF. Next, in the aspect of where the user of the website can become members of the or make a deal with the EPF by registering the member option of employees or employer. In the aspect of why, the reasons why the EPF company developed this website because of they want to give the information about provident fund and make the user the ease of registering to be member of EPF, as well as give the user the option to make a business regarding the saving for the future when they are retiring in the company. Moreover, in the aspect of who that visit the website in is a user of employees or employer that want to make a deal for their company regarding employees' provident fund, as well as person who has retired from working in one company that wants to get financial aid. Alright, for the next topic that I will explain is the user interface of the website of EPF. For your information, user interface or UI is a design of the process designers use to build interfaces in software or computerized software, focusing on looks or style. Designers aim to create interfaces which users find easy to use and pleasurable. Thus, Employees Provident Fund or EPF has made the user interface and user experience of their website in a good pleasure. In the aspect of what the EPF designs the user interface with simple and seamless design, as they help guide the users by reducing the burden of the burdens for them. This is because they use design patterns of bright color, and the font is bold, as well as some of it in capital letters and non-capital letters. Moreover, the design is invisible, as the user can easily fulfill their needs because of the user interface that provided the navigation to the required website easily, as they are the type of users about EPF and login option. Thus, this UI or user interface will be usable to the user of the EPF, as it satisfies and meet the expectations of the user and will make them return to the website again. And next, in the aspect of how the EPF website can effectively and efficiently utilize their website by using color, brightness, contrast, and they need to avoid including colors or buttons excessively, as it will make the user complicated in coping with the user interface of the website. Next, in the aspect of why the developer of the website has given some of the reasons that why the UI should communicate brand values and reinforce users' trust. Good design is emotional design. Users associate good feelings with the EPF website that talks at all levels to them and keep alive the measure of pleasurable, seamless experiences. This is because they serve a variety of people that work in the company. Hence, the EPF website is a responsive website layout that aids the user of variety of the devices such as smartphones, laptops, mobile tab, and others. Besides, in the aspect of who, the person or company that is responsible for creating and designing the website is the company EPF itself. The EPF needs to hire employees that have graphic designer background and computer science background. This will help them to be more capable in designing and developing the website. In addition, in the aspect of when, the developer of the EPF website needs to make sure that the website is regularly being up to date and it always being monitored by the automation of the company. Therefore, it always been up to date with new information of provident fund for the user. While in the aspect of where, the EPF website needs to determine the pace of the website in the internet. This is because they need to ensure that the user can easily access the website in the World Wide Web. Besides, I will explain to you what is the color scheme that used by the EPF website. For your information, color scheme is the choice of colors used in various artistic and design contexts. The achromatic use of a website background with black text, for instance, is an example of a basic and usually default web design color scheme. To create style and appeal, color schemes are used. One of the most effective ways to direct the visitor attention to the most significant bits of information on the page is to use an accent color in a website color scheme. First, in aspect of what the developer of the EPF website uses simple color which displayed in homepage of the website. The color of the background that has been used to the homepage is white, or in hexadecimal is hashtag FFFFF, and dark blue or hashtag 0008B. Both of it is the dominant color in the homepage of the website EPF. Next, the logo of EPF uses the color of red, white, dark blue, and golden, then in dark golden road. Thus, the color of the font that has been used in the homepage is red, dark blue, and white. Meanwhile, the color for the menu is in dark blue, as well as there is dark golden that hover in the menu. Secondly, in aspect of who this color scheme was used for the user of employees and employer, and even the workers that have retired. Color scheme plays an important role in order to attract the user and attention as well as meet their expectation. Continue. Besides, in the aspect of why the EPF website uses this color scheme, because of the simple and reflective color can make the viewer satisfied, and it will make the website have a strong visual identity. Thus, it will get visitor attention to click the button or link to find the right information. Other than that, to sustain the user satisfaction and make the eyes of the user is in good condition, as well as will not leave eyesore because of using the right color scheme. Next, in aspect of when, the EPF developer of the website should prepare a color scheme as soon as possible in order to make the user leave a positive impression about the website and further the business between user and company. Then, in the aspect of where, the EPF website uses the color scheme that have been mentioned above on every part of the website body, from header to footer, and this color of scheme has distinguished the use of buttons or links that contain a particular information. Lastly, but not least, in the aspect of how the EPF website would appeal to anyone with simple and ease of the eyes with the color scheme that has been used. Thus, the color scheme will be an ideal for designs related to financial. This pleasant color combination may come in handy for the business of provident fund that emphasize the relationship between the user and the company of EPF itself. Now we'll move to the next presenter. That's all for me. Thank you.
For navigation of the website. Navigation of a website refers to the process of accessing a network of information resources in the World Wide Web, which is structured as hypertext or hypermedia. EPF uses the navigation bar to put multiple of tabs that contain many kinds of services for employer, member, login, and also about EPF that can bring users directly to pages that they want to go. There are also information mixed in the website, suitable for every stage of ages, facilitate the employee that do the coding to use simple coding. Navigation plays a vital role in bringing site users to see more than just the homepage. EPF doing the best job to encourage users to visit their website more frequently because it is easy to use.
Now I will explain about the content of the website. The content of this page is an overview of what the Employees Provident Fund (EPF) itself is and lets the organization communicate information to customer on everything relevant to the Employees Provident Fund. This website content is completely controlled and produced by the PF itself. It is subject to their authority to enforce certain government acts and laws that qualify for that power. It involves control of any aspect of device hacking and website data management. Content on the website is subject to recent changes that need immediate editing either for enhancement or policy changes, and normally this EPF website will be browsable but not facilities in it will be available as the server does internal work for user benefit. To access information or viewing the content from the EPF website, several sections have been classified, such as namely member, employer, EPF, contact us, and login. Content relating to the part accessed by the user will be shown in the detail. In the creation of the website, content is the primary condition, and it is very important to adjust to the target or the form of user who will use it. The EPF emphasizes that the content on the website is compatible with the EPF own function and mission and vision, ensuring that services can be delivered in the best possible way while ensuring the well-being of its members. Users only need to access it with the official EPF link to access the information or content on the website and also to access the facility offered. For example, involving members, users first need to register physically, which is to go to the nearest EPF branch or counter to register the phone number and other personal details. Now we are going to the any relevant that related to the website. The relevant thing adapted in this website is other links facilities. In other words, understand the sense of the user, a similar object adapted to this website. The EPF also provided user with the other connection to access the website of other government departments relating to members or user storage and personal information. Links to the government agencies such as the Ministry of Higher Education, MOHE, the Digital Economic Corporation of Malaysia, MDEC, the Ministry of Finance, MOF, SOSO, the Negara Malaysia, BNM, RHB Bank, and many more are among the links given. The diversity of government departments, of course, is also accompanied by the diversity of their own position. Users or members of all the EPF are recognized as contributors, often face challenges from different perspectives that can lead to certain problems concerning saving or on financial status. Based on the problem or purpose of search by the user, then it needs to be adapted to the function or an agency involved. For example, if the member wants to withdraw saving from account 2 to pay the university education fee, then the member must first contact the Ministry of Higher Education through the university staff or directly to the branch or visit the official website of the MOHE. It is intended to ensure that the effort of member to use the facility of the EPF are not impeded by any difficulties or insignificant offenses. It can also make the information provided more reliable and capable of avoiding elements of scam or confusion with other connection or cooperation of government agency, as well as maintaining the integrity of the EPF itself. It can do so as feedback on any services offered through EPF by knowing the concern of members. At the same time, it can use to enhance the quality of services and improve the facility offered as a guide. That's all from me. Thank you.
Conclusion. To conclude the evaluation of KWSP website that have been chosen, the KWSP website is a website that gives help and service to the user. As user can see, the website provide many functions can help the user to manage their KWSP account, such as see their balance in the real time. Overall, The KWSP website is good design, from user interface to content, that can help the user accomplish their task in any time and everywhere they need. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention throughout this presentation.